All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. Let me just make sure you guys can hear me all good. Villa reveal, yeah, the Villa reveal. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. I'm on the laptop setup today, so I was just getting set up here. Hopefully, you guys can hear me all loud and clear. Let me just turn this up a little bit. Happy Friday, everyone. Happy Friday, guys. Oh, nice, Nick. Caught my biggest trade ever today. 400 ticks in Asia. Yeah, amazing work, Nick. Yeah, gold's had a ridiculous push. Yeah, new green screen today. Oh, I can't touch it. But yeah, I always like to switch up the green screen for you guys. Yeah, but yeah, gold's had a crazy push. Absolutely ridiculous day on gold today, guys. I got 80 ticks in Asia, and then gold ended up pushing like 400, just insane. From the lows of London yesterday, gold's up like 1,000 ticks. Now there was a lot of fundamentals in the Asian session today, which did give it the boost, but you know the daily was breaking out anyway, so it made sense. Yeah, good day to hold runners, absolutely, man, absolutely. Passed to combine one time in gold after watching your live and trying your strategy. Amazing, man, amazing. That's what we like to hear. That's what. Hello. There we go. Apologies, guys. I was on mute there. But yeah, gold's been on a. I was just saying, I did get a nice $800 on my Express funded account today. But like I said, you know, $800 when gold ended up pushing up like 400 ticks was just absolutely insane. Yeah, I wasn't muting there. Cool. Nice. I think it was just when I switched the screens. But like I say, guys, you know. This is what I said to you guys in the Asia market call. You know, this is why it's so important to understand your daily bias. It's so important. Because, well, where's the other handsome English man? Brett's asking for you. He doesn't want to say hello. He's a little bit shy. No face. But yeah, this is why the daily is so key on gold. You know, on Monday, we're taking shorts following Friday's huge push. Coming onto charts on Tuesday, you grab the lows and close bullish. Cool, we're buying into these daily highs. Then coming onto charts on Wednesday, I'm like, well, I don't really know where we're going to go on Wednesday. We're grabbing highs, we're grabbing lows. I don't know how Wednesday's going to close. So, okay, cool, fine. Let me just not trade Wednesday. Oh, great, cool. Wednesday's closed bullish. We've broken above the resistance. We've broken above 33.50. So, guess what? Coming onto the charts on Thursday, what am I looking for? Easy buys, easy daily buys, easy bullish daily buys. And then again, you break above, you held 33.50, flip bullish for like 400 ticks. Okay, cool. Coming onto the charts today, what are we looking for? Obviously longs. Now I know it was fueled with fundamentals, but there was no reason to look for sell today on gold. You broke above 33.50. You closed bullish yesterday. You left two beautiful liquidity levels where this rejection would have brought in a lot of sellers. So today you're buying gold and it has had an absolutely ridiculous push. But I'm just sharing that, you guys, because that's why it's so important to understand your daily time frame. And sometimes when you jump on the charts and your daily time frame isn't as clear, well, that's fine. take a step back and wait. In the days where the daily time frame is clear, which is most of the time, you get very, very easy intraday trades. And gold is having an absolute monster of a move. From Asia today, gold's already up 650 ticks, which is insane. It's good on Ash. Crude been on a crazy push. Say Brett says hi, Aya. Let me have a look. Yeah, fucking ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at that. That's insane. Absolutely insane. So yeah, gold for the day. Obviously, you know, we're very bullish. The thing is, we have come back into some major all-time high resistance on gold, which is where it was nice to buy it in Asia, because you're buying up into these liquidity levels. Well, now we're at these highs. So where could we go from here? Oh, I mean, we have to take it as it comes. We've got to see intraday breakouts. Do I want to be selling gold? Not really. Like I said, from the lows of London yesterday, you know, we peaked highs at like over 1,000 ticks, which is just ridiculous. So I don't care if gold can pull back. I'm not shorting this. I'm not fighting these markets. So all we really want to see is some breakouts on gold, and then see if we can continue buying, which we may get here in 17 minutes. Potential 30-minute fake out buys back above here, and then we may see longs. You know, even just to play this range, 70 plus tick range. That's still a very decent trade. But yeah, crazy push. The most volume I've seen on gold in a long time. We haven't seen this amount of volume since, I don't know, maybe back in April. Even still, I don't think we saw 1,000 ticks in less than a day. 1,000 ticks in less than a day is just nuts. Get that huge wick down at London yesterday and just all the way back up. All the way back up. Yeah, nice. In the morning star, yeah, good man. Yeah, looking for longs makes the most sense. I know, I saw your stories, Ash. That's incredible, man. Insane. Morning, Aaron there in Bali. Good morning. So I made 15k on the XFA on push on. Really, that's crazy. 15k on the XFA, that's insane. Yeah, it's absolutely booming. I got long today here. I didn't think we were gonna rip this high, but I was getting long on gold here, up into here, and up into this nice liquidity level, which I was actually watching to see if we could do it yesterday in New York, but you couldn't quite get there. But you came down, grabbed the lows, broke out. So I was like that. Then I got about 80, which is like, I got like maybe to there. As this candle was wicking down quite aggressively, I just closed it. That was my Asia trade that I thought I was happy with, and then ended up just ridiculous. At one contract, you're talking like a $2,000+ trade. It was just insane. So yeah, I'm not interested in shorting gold today, guys. It's not to say gold can't retrace some of this move. That just won't be my trade. Trying to short gold after a 1,000 tick push in less than a day is just insane. Yeah, rode it halfway up. Yeah, nice, Josh. Nice. Good man. Yeah, crazy day. Even yesterday on gold, you know, we didn't. Someone say let's. Yeah, let's hands for sure. I absolutely had let's hands on that. They have Lambos in Bali. Funnily enough, there actually is a dude that drives a Lamborghini around in Bali. It's absolutely ridiculous. It looks like the most stupidest thing ever. Just stuck in traffic in your Lamborghini in Bali. So ridiculous. But maybe if I'd hold, we could have maybe rented it for the day, but but yeah, surprisingly someone actually does. It's pretty ridiculous. The thing is though, on gold, you know, there's a pretty decent 4-hour rejection, but still, it's not enough for me to sell it. It's not to say we can't pull back. It's more so to say, I'm just not shorting this. Yeah, squeeze, yeah, 100%. Squeeze the way to go. Yeah, absolutely, man. We took our trade in Asia this morning, did a nice 1-to-1, did the market cool, scooted down to the beach, had some coffee, scooted to the gym. Scooting around's the way to go, man. Best life. How dare he? I know, man. I know. I know. But yeah, we'll see what we get for London today, guys. London yesterday had a crazy push. Crazy sell-off right at the London Open, which ended up being a huge liquidity wick. Held 33.50. And then just ripped back higher. Even we were watching this London, yes, I didn't trade it, but you dropped 370 ticks and then completely retraced like another 500. So it was like 800 ticks in a London session, which is just nuts. Absolutely nuts. We're staying in Canggu area, man. Staying in Canggu area. Used to link in Poland, a guy would drive around Elton every day, driving a gold Lamborghini. No way, that's crazy. Gold Lamborghini, yeah, that's a statement. I guess at least in Poland you can actually drive it, whereas in Bali you literally just sit in your Lamborghini in traffic. It sounds ridiculous. Afternoon, lads. Good afternoon, man. Afternoon. Plans for the weekend in Bali? Just chill. I got some content to work on for the guys for the retreat next week. We got the guys in the retreat arriving to Sunday as well. So yeah, just relax. Check into the villa tomorrow, get everything all set up, and then start the trading retreat next week. It should be cool. Gold moves when gold wants to move, to be honest, man. I've never really found a time where gold specifically moves. Gold just goes when gold wants to go. Pre-London can be good. Sometimes if pre-London's quiet, then London Open can be good. Yeah, I know, Sean, yeah. Yeah, it's a dodger, especially at night with all the dogs out as well. There's about 11, Nick. About 10 or 11, man. That's like the max I'll take. That's what we have in the villa here in Bali, which is it's the best spot for it. But if I do some more, you know, I'll try and do another one towards the end of the year. Oh, the little the like proper thin one, you mean, Sean? The proper small one before you go, like just after the yeah. Yeah, Jimmy, 100%, man. Let me know, man. Let me know. We'll do something for sure. Absolutely, man. Yep, Stuart will be on Topstep as well. Yep, absolutely. Yeah, when I'll do another retreat towards the end of the year, guys. I'll probably be more limited because it won't be in Bali. So, yeah, nice Quinn. Yep, sounds good, man. We'll probably do it maybe, I don't know, somewhere else in Asia. I'd like to do a Europe one at some point. Retreat plans when I'm in the EU. I'll still try and do one somewhere this side of the world, because it's kind of like halfway for most of us. I would like to do a Europe one at some point, but the one towards the end of the year, I'll try and find a place, find somewhere in the middle for us guys. Do it in Cyprus. Yeah, that'd be cool. That'd be cool. Let's see if we get this 30-minute fake out here on gold. See if we get some longs. You're kind of finding some nice hourly support here, previous hourly highs. It's not a bad place to start looking for some longs, to be honest. Yeah, Switzerland retreat, yeah. We'll have to be making bank for that one, a Switzerland skiing retreat. Yeah, probably, Sean. I mean, it should. But the thing is, I never really see it until, like, after you have a ridiculous move, and then I see. It should be a good reason to hold, though, yeah. I guess it probably did come out when I was in my longs. I didn't see the Israel news till like when we were like all the way back up here. But yeah, if you have like somehow can see it as you're in a trade, yeah, definitely, it's a good reason to hold. Potential breakout here in 10 minutes, guys. You might get some longs. Might get some longs. We kind of got a nice little trend line come down, trend line squeezing here as well, just for a little bit of a pullback. You know, with gold being so bullish, there's nothing to say we can't just continue ripping much higher. Could you even flip this current 5? I'm not putting this in, guys. I'm just having a look. That's a pretty nice bottom wick. What, 30 tick stop? Trying to run this up for a 70 tick trade. I might. Let's see. I don't have this in. I'll show you guys. Tell you guys what I do. Yeah, Luke, it's honestly, it's always the way, man. It's like the technicals always line up beautifully, and then the news just pushes it. Do a retreat in London for London Open? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, this is really barley, yeah. It's not a green screen, I promise. What happened at Topstep yesterday? Yeah, unfortunately I couldn't make the Topstep stream yesterday. I was traveling to Bali. Yeah, skiing in Bulgaria, that'd be sick, yeah, that'd be sick. Why'd I ban you? From where? I've not banned you. What was I going to look at? Oh yeah, let me just have a quick look at the news. Does it look like a green screen? It's a pretty nice green screen, to be fair. Probably right region. Let's have a quick look at the news. I do think we are, what, 4x factories blocked in Bali. Are you kidding? Okay, we'll have a look on Topstep then. Is Chow even really there? No, Chow's part of the green screen as well. I'm pretty sure we have some news today. I mean, the main news is that that war news that came up before. What have we got? Oh no, not really. Nothing crazy. Iran has launched more than 100 drones towards Israel in the past hour. When was that? That's about an hour ago. So this news still coming out in Iran could still get pretty volatile here. It makes sense to continue buying gold, to be honest. It makes sense to continue buying. Not fooling anyone. Sus throat pillow. Safe travels, thank you. But yeah, we'll be back on the Topstep streams today though. What if I buy stuff over buy limit? I don't like buy limits because buy limits you're trying to predict that something's going to happen at a certain level. Whereas if I put a buy stop here and the price doesn't flip bullish, then I don't get tagged in, I just delete the stop. Whereas a buy limit is almost like you're expecting something to happen at an area. If I want to use a buy limit or I want to buy from a certain area, I'd rather just set an alert and see how price reacts when I get there. No, same place, Brad, same place. Going there tomorrow, man. Yeah, he crunches like a Discord, yeah. Full margin. So let's see how this, let's see how we're going to close here. Let's have a look, Ash. Let me have a look on my phone. Oh, there you go, legend. Oh yeah, you do, yeah, you got consumer sentiment, 3 PM, 3 PM London time. Consumer sentiment, 3 PM. 3 PM London time. No, I don't think so. I don't think it's doing right. Goldie selling off here, guys. A lot of ungrabbed equal highs up here. No longs for me just yet, but certainly no shorts. Certainly no shorts. I'm gonna ban you in a minute if you ask it one more time. I just told you I haven't banned you. Are you asking to be banned? I've not banned you. You're right here. Well, you're right here. Banned you from what? Do it. Do it. Still scalping? Yeah, I'm still scalping, yep. I've been trying to hold my trades a little bit longer because the range has been so volatile. But yeah, you know, I'll still be out in 5-10 minutes. 5-10 minute scalp, absolutely. My trade this morning was about 10 minutes, I guess. I had a very nice scalp yesterday on gold. Across 7 accounts. Morning, Aaron. Good morning, man. Good morning, good morning. Yes, yeah, they are, man. Yep. They were the ones. I haven't traded them in a while, to be honest. I was like, you know what? Let me just start. Let me trade these again. But man, My main one's on Topstep though. Priority. Trader Dream, I know, man. So many nice setups over, yeah, 100%, man. 100%. Yeah, hold the scalp to all-time highs, yeah, absolutely. I know, I mean, it's not, that's the thing, you know, when you're getting these crazy moves with the news, it's like, man, we should be holding runners on this. We should absolutely be holding runners. Didn't grab the highs in the futures, they got grabbed on the spot. Yep, one's from 7th of May. Yeah, if they've been grabbed on the spot, I would say that's probably enough. Is that, yeah, did they not grab on the futures? Let me see. But yeah, nowhere near. Wow, that's interesting. Yeah, nowhere near on the futures. That's interesting. Many Aussie? Yeah, loads. No, loads, Nick. I would say majority probably are, to be honest, man. Lots and lots. All taken over. When do I set my trades to break even? I set my trades to break even when price comes into an area where it could potentially go against me. That's so true. That's quality. I like that. Yeah, my trades go to break even when price comes into a level where we could start to reverse against me. So my liquidity levels, my liquidity levels are my exits and my break-even points. So for example, when I'm buying gold here today, let's say if I'm targeting these daily highs, I could say this first liquidity target will be my break-even point. Break-even point targets. I got out before that today, but just as an example, break-even is based on when it comes into an area where it could potentially go against me. I just saw it, actually, nice. Yeah, nice, Nick. Yep, sounds good, man. Where are we? Crypto Mace. No, if you are who was in Discord on the Guy Music, you know why you were banned. You were banned for a reason. You probably don't want me to go on it here, but you know why you were banned. You were given plenty of opportunities, and you ruin it. You're out. You ruin the atmosphere for other people. You're out. Simple. And it wasn't just a one-off circumstance either, man. You know why you were banned. Yeah, he is, yeah. Yep. Yeah, multiple times. Multiple times. Ooh. Nice, been holding crude from 65.6. Very nice. 65.6. Wow, 65.6. Yeah, I know. Literally, Brad. 65.6. Wow, nice swing trade, man. Where's that? 65.6. Fuck, that's a huge push, man. Huge push. Back at that 75 level is massive. That's a absolutely insane weekly candle. Insane. You could see it 80s pretty quick as well. Is that on your personal, man? That's a fucking great swing trade. Yeah, bank that trade. Yeah, it's a huge trade. Yeah, on the personal. Yeah, amazing, man. Amazing. Yeah, Riley. You tell him. Yeah, 65.6 is huge, man. Yep. 8 contracts and NQ gets my back in. Yeah. That's my fault, though. Didn't explain that in the risk management section enough. Gold having a bit of a dip down here, guys. You may squeeze previous 4-hour lows. You could pull back to there. Thing is, with the news is that anything can come out at any minute. Again, I don't want to be short in this. Speaking of NQ, let's have a quick look at NQ. NQ massive, almost back at the all-time high resistance, which is huge. Starting to have a bit of a pullback though, which is nice. I like the fact that NQ's having a bit of a sell-off here. I'd love NQ to come back down into 21,000, to be honest. With all that war news going on, you've got gold ripping and NQ selling off. But thing is, with where NQ is right now, you know, this could easily be bought right back up. Especially you're grabbing previous 4-hour lows, like this could have a... You could easily be buying any dips here on NQ. It's a pretty huge area. Ken, I've never used them. They did ask me to do a video for them, but I wasn't really too keen, to be honest, man. You can't copy trade on them, so I've not really looked into them that much. They asked me to do a YouTube vid, but I wasn't really that keen. But I kind of looked into it a little bit more. To me, it doesn't come close to beating what Topstep have. So, but yeah, personally, I have never tried them, man. No. See Goldie here, grabbing the lows. Any fake out buy opportunities, guys, I'm going to be buying gold at any opportunity. Oh, it makes sense to continue following this news. And there's nothing to say, you know, we can't just play this liquidity level, but you also just continue ripping, like 200 plus ticks. Any fake out opportunity, I want to get in on gold. Let me see, Ash, let me see. Yeah, hourly flip, yep, I like that. I like that. Yeah. Just noise, yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, buying that dip. Yeah, I was buying it all during the tariff news as well. And that's the thing. There's never a good time to not buy such crazy news for long term. I did buy some more. I did buy some more stocks today. Yeah, Financial Juice is pretty good, man. Forex Live for live news coming out is good. Forex Factory, that will just tell you scheduled in news. I like Forex Live for actual live news coming out. It updates like automatically as well. Oil and gold are two beneficiaries. Yeah, you can say that again. Forex Live is probably my favorite to use. Financial Juice is good as well, which is also in the Topstep X, and it's updated on the side as well, and it highlights important news in red, which is pretty good. Yeah, potential hourly flip on gold. That actually could be nice. That could be nice. Yeah, stonks. Yeah, I did get some stonks today. I'm hoping, to be honest, I would love to see the stocks pull back more because I want to buy more. But I did buy some more today. I bought about $20,000 worth today. I would like to buy some more. Can we use trade signals to pass funded firm challenge, or will they call us for copying some trades? Depends on the prop firm, to be honest, man. If we all take the same trade together here on Topstep on gold, no, you won't have any issues. Yeah, you could, yeah, but like, I mean, having to use like a third-party platform to, well, it's actually against Funded Next rules to copy trade. Like, it's actually against their rules to copy trade. So even if you use a third-party one and they see your copy trading, you could get it closed. It's not that they don't actually have a trade copier. It's like it's actually against their rules to copy trade, which I thought was pretty stupid. So it's like you can't actually buy multiple accounts, or if you do, you can't copy trade them. Like you could still copy trade them all on like Tradeovate or something, but it's actually against their rules, which I thought was pretty stupid. Yeah, deny payout, yeah. But yeah, I don't think they're offering anything as near as good as what Topstep has, so I've not really looked into them, to be honest. Hourly wick in the lows here. If this hourly does get back above, you know, even a liquidity wick back up into like 34, 30 looks pretty nice. Like back above this little level, there's a little pullback trade. It's still, that's like 60 ticks. One contract, $600, amazing. There's opportunities here. There is opportunities. I will probably trade the 150 today. This Asia one's pretty locked out. So I'll probably trade the one, maybe even a combine, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, 20 on the way to all-time highs. Why not? Why not? I've only taken a couple of trades on this 150k. 3 trades. 820 minus 10 plus 1,000. I haven't really traded too much yet. Yeah, me too, Sean. Yeah, I like this. Kind of got a nice little intraday one coming down. Yeah, of course, man, of course. I will trade bigger size than this 150, but you know, even just trading one contract to be up almost 2,000 is pretty sweet. Can you allow any props? Yeah, Topstep. Copying signals is the wrong way to be thinking. You're never going to make consistent money trading copy trading. I mean, you can copy my trades, you know, you'll make some money, but you're not going to make a full-time career trading copy trading. It's never going to happen. If it was that easy, I wouldn't be doing this right now. If you should give advice to your younger self to do some habits, technicals, plus emotional to become a profitable ASAP, what would it be? I mean, example, daily 5 minute videos. I mean, advice for my younger self would just be focus on clear technicals, just simple price action. And don't be so concerned with trying to refine all the time. Everyone always talks themselves out of trades because they're trying to refine the perfect entry all the time with the perfect best risk to reward. And, you know, I would be way further ahead than what I am now if I just actually let my trades breathe more and collected more data and then refined over time. That's the biggest thing for me. Don't be so focused on, yeah, exactly. Keep it simple, stupid. 100%, man. Keep it simple. You know, 2 to 3 confluences. Let your trades breathe. Go for 1 to 2 risk rewards. You know, man, it's more than enough. I used to be so refined on trying to hit the big jackpot trades all the time, and I'd miss out on so many opportunities because I'd be trying to refine the tightest stop loss and, you know, get wicked out before it hits my move. And man, just let your trades breathe and you will refine over time. Yeah, and that's you can't give that away, Ash. Focus on the party shirts. Yeah, we can't say that. Letting trades breathe is a good one. Yeah, 100%, man. It's intended to dampen that fear. Yeah, 100%, man. Crypto Mania still going, man. Bro, in a thriving community of over 150 people, if you really think I randomly decided to wake up and ban you for no reason, you're delusional. If you think I'm going to ruin my whole reputation I've spent years building to ban you on WOP for no reason, then I think there's some deeper issues you should look at, man. Stop being stupid. You know why you were banned. You were banned because you were rude to myself privately, you were rude in the Discord with other people, and then you were rude again to more members. You were given multiple chances. Your $99 is not worth my time, especially when you're rude to other members. That's why you were kicked. You called me a scammer on numerous occasions because you couldn't control your emotions in a trade, and you traded something that I don't even trade. You full margined NQ and then called me a scammer. It's like, what are you even saying? And then you wonder why you were kicked. And you also said it multiple times because you couldn't control your losses. That's why you were kicked, and you know why you were kicked. Like I say, if you join and you're jeopardizing the experience for other members, you'd just be banned. Simple. Yeah. That's what it is. Yeah. I don't have time for people who are going to jeopardize the experience for other people. Simple as that. Sorry's not good enough, man. You did it on multiple occasions. I am extremely fair with people, but you did it on multiple occasions to the point where it's just like, it's just not worth jeopardizing the experience for other members, man. They come first. Yeah, and right now, yeah, it's still distracting. So if we get closure back here, and guys, we can have some longs. But don't make out as if you were banned for no reason. Like, man, I've been running my community for like 3 years, and we have amazing members in there. If you think I just randomly woke up and decided to ban you, like, that doesn't make any sense. You were given multiple chances, and then you had a final straw, and then I just kicked you. Simple as that. You weren't scammed or anything. You had the community, you had the content. You were rude, you were kicked. Out. Simple. Anyone who comes in and ruins the atmosphere for other people will just be kindly moved on. Yeah, meet in Bali. Pull up to Bali. Yeah, it will be in a second. Let's see here, guys. What time is it? 5 minutes. Maybe even a 15-minute closure here. We may get some longs here. Yeah, well, I like a bit of entertainment on a Friday. Three times 3 minute sparring session. Nice, Brett. Good man. Good man. What did I miss? You missed the fun. Nah, it's not even worth talking about. Just someone who came into Discord and was just rude to myself and other people. He was in there for like 2 weeks and then just got kicked. I have zero tolerance for people who are going to come in and ruin the experience of other people. And more so just be rude. But then he somehow made out that he got scammed. Nice. Just submitted my first payout request from Topstep. Amazing. Beautiful work. Beautiful work. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. Important time. My time's important. Topstep, the best prop in your eyes? Yeah, in the future space, Topstep are, in my opinion, my favorite. My favorite. Fairest rules, super simple. And super simple to get the payouts as well. He says, yeah, true. I mean, he did say sorry after every outburst. After every outburst, sorry. True. Yeah, that's insane, Ash. 17 minutes, that's crazy, man. The Topstep link doesn't work. I know Topstep don't do affiliate links anymore, so I need to just update it. There's no Topstep affiliate links. However, I will be soon trying to get Topstep, see if we can do some giveaways here on YouTube. So we'll do that probably next week. I'll see if we can get some giveaway codes. Yeah, to full margin Fridays 2 levels. Yeah, I know. It does happen every now and again. Yeah, it does. Background looks like a green screen. It is. I'm secretly in my basement. I'm pretending I'm in Bali. Yeah, it could be probably noting. Yeah, 100%, man. That's it. 15-minute closure coming up here, guys. We're grabbing the lows. We're trying to close bullish. We're not getting back above this resistance, but to be honest, to me, this looks like a trap to bring in some sellers. I'm tempted to see if we can get some longs here. Look at that hourly rejection. I might get some longs here, guys, in a second. If this 15 comes down for an instant bottom wick, I might take a stab at some longs. It'll be risky because you haven't broken above yet, but to be honest, I think this is a level where most people are going to try and short. And with gold being so bullish, fundamentals very bullish for gold, it's worth a shot. Stops are going to be like around 50 ticks to try and get around 100 minimum. Let's see. If we come down for an instant bottom wick, I may take a buy stop here on gold. Let's see. Because that hourly's starting to leave a beautiful rejection. 30-minute could form a fake out. A little bit of a bottom wick gold, please. 4 hour as well. Very bullish, daily very bullish. I'm also to be honest like the fact that hourly starting to wick the lows and hold that VWAP level and reject. Not that I look at the VWAP very often, but it's interesting to see. So look at the 5 minute here. I would imagine a lot of people probably trying to short this break and retest right now. Let me share some of you guys on Zoom. A lot of people trying to short this, maybe sitting some stops above. You've got a trend line coming down like this as well. So this to me would be a decent target. There's no bottom wick on this 15 yet, so if we can come down for a bottom wick on this 15, then maybe break these highs and we could be good. Again though, we haven't broken out just yet, so it's almost a little bit of an anticipation trade, which is fine. It can be a little bit risky, but to me, the risk reward is going to be worth it. Because if you don't break above the next 10 minutes, you know, you can probably manage like around 30 ticks to squeeze out like minimum 100, which is crazy. So we'll just go in one contract because 100 ticks is very nice. Let's see here. Grab the highs, hold in resistance. $15-minute, grab the lows, breaking back above. We just need to clear this area. End the week off strong. Let's see if we can. Let's see if we can. If we don't drive in this 5 minute, maybe the next 5 minute can come down, wick into 5 minute lows, and then we can get the buy stop in. I'm not going to buy just yet. If we'd come down for a bottom wick, I'd be in first, but you kind of opened, pushed up, grabbed the highs, and now you're pulling back down. So let's see. How much are you making per month? From just funded accounts or everything? Funded accounts, I made about 10,000, and then I got my personal, and then I got stocks as well. I got about 12,000 or something in my Topstep balances right now. I had 7 payouts last month as well. I think last month was about maybe 8,000. That's not including my personal and stocks as well. Stocks have probably been the heaviest hitters at the minute. Stocks have been doing like 20 to 30,000 months. And I bought some more stocks today. No Lambo yet. No Lambo yet, so you can't be making that much money. Yeah, Audi Morningstar 100% Quinn. Yep, I see that as well, man. That's what kind of I'm trying to buy, anticipating. Long dog view up. Yeah, nice, Nick. Nice. Yeah, longs into previous highs. Yep. Go pick something up from the shelf. Definitely a green screen. I can't. I'll get exposed. I'm not getting exposed on a Friday. I bought $20,000 worth of Apple today. Let's see. 5 minute trying to get back above. I do like how we're rejecting this level. To me, this makes me think people are trying to short this. I just want to see if we can wick down, maybe grab some lows and then get in. I don't want to over refine because it's a pretty good level. Nowhere near as much as trading. Nowhere near as much. And what do you mean hundreds of members? Why are you just making stupid assumptions? Honestly, stocks no minimum. Honestly, there's no minimum. Just start. Just start and compound it. Like don't even think about it. Honestly, you could put in like $100 a month if you really wanted to. You grow that over a long time. Stocks is one thing I honestly wish I started sooner. I've only started doing stocks since like February, and it's one thing I wish I started doing sooner. I guess with stocks, you know, it's not always about, we were saying earlier, like it's not about timing the markets with stocks, it's just time in the markets, you know, that old school saying. So as soon as you can slowly start just buying some, it's good. My P&L, wait, for what? For, what do you mean? Up, you can see it right here. Yeah, 30% of your paycheck, yeah, it's amazing, man. Let it compound, yeah, absolutely. Honestly, Sean, I would have previously said personal, but now I'm like, you know, with the money we're doing from the stocks, it's like, man, I would do the stocks as well. It's tough. It's very tough. Like, I obviously like all of them, but typed attacks. Yeah, fuck, I got mine coming through right now as well. Compounded until I die. Yeah. I honestly would say for day trading, like, me personally, I haven't been day trading my personal much. I've mainly just been focusing on Topstep and the stocks. Let me see if I can show you guys my stocks here in a second. Yeah, absolutely. S&P can make like, what, 5 to 10% a year or something? Yeah, how the fuck did he get back? Wasn't in timeout for long enough. Let me see if I can show you guys. Let me see. Let me see if I can show you guys my stonks. Oh, it's banned in Bali, that's good. Yeah, what a coincidence. Sure it is. Yeah, sure. Use a VPN, yeah. Do I have a VPN? No. I'll probably use it anyway. Wait, do I have one? Hotspot shield, what's this? What time is it? 10 minutes. Alan back in the house. 15 trying to get back above here, guys. I'm not long just yet. Yeah, it must be a scam, yeah. It sounds like something a scammer would say. Alright, let me put on. Hope it doesn't break the stream. Oh, it did. Fuck. Let's not do that. Did I just break it? Is it back on? Yeah, cool. I just broke it. I think it's gone funny on YouTube. Looks like it's back. Gold trying to get back above here, guys. I may just take it off the hourly. May take up the hourly. I'm not long here yet, personally, although I'd love to be. Yeah, no, but definitely a scam. Definitely a scam. Yeah, you want to be careful. Yeah, using VPNs on bad props. You know, if a location is banned and you use a VPN, there's nothing to say you can't get denied a payout. Yeah, I know, literally, Howard. It's crazy. It's fucking crazy. It's ridiculous. Yeah, nice, got long. Good man. I want to get long here as well. Just trying to see, we're 5 minutes away from this. 5 minutes away from this hourly. Yeah, last thing you'd want to do is trade in a banned country, use a VPN, and then you get denied a payout. Remember, guys, we're going live on the Topstep channel today as well. Yeah, I was trying to get in before the hourly, but to be honest, it's 5 minutes away till it's going to close now, so yeah, we may see that hourly close. Let's see. It's kind of holding this level pretty well. Can't quite get back above just yet, so maybe we'll come down, maybe grab some lows, and then maybe get fake out buys from somewhere down here. Yeah, Anton Krill does them. Yeah, he does them in Thailand, man. One of his would have been a dream to go on. This would be cool, yeah. I used to like watching his documentary on. Yeah, you may as well. Yep. Show your performance. Only if you learn to spell your properly. If you correct yourself and spell your, not like a 2-year-old, then maybe. Yeah, 100% Sean. Yeah, I reckon it'd be a lot, a couple of thousand for sure. Jesus, what's all these fucking? What's going on? Everyone blowing their accounts short on gold today, or what? What the hell's going on today? Holy. Yeah, longs after 30 close. That's what I'm thinking, man. I'm trying to get long already, to be honest. I'm spicy. No, everyone else is being spicy today. I think everyone's trying to short gold. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking for, man. I'm pretty much seeing this Audi grab the lows, holding the support, and I'm trying to get long here. To be honest, it may get in soon. I was hoping we just wicked out and maybe grab some lows. But this 15 gets back above, yeah, bottom wick on the next 15, I think we will. Oh, sure, yeah, I've watched that so many times, man, so many times. Always at about 6 AM London time. Yeah, I've watched that so many times, man. It's such a good documentary. May I ask how long take to go from earning 0 from trading to making stable 3,000 a month? Like took me like 2 to 3 years of just failing. Oh wow, we're getting a good push here on gold, guys. We're getting a good push. People are too busy yapping. We're missing gold longs. You guys are gonna go in timeout soon. You ain't gonna get money at all. Calling some nice gold buys. You guys are so focused on the wrong things. Yeah, just jumped. Yeah, having a nice push here. We've got this hourly close coming in 5 minutes. Hourly close coming in 5 minutes. I would like to see this next hourly come down for a bit of a bottom wick, grab some 5-minute lows, and then break the highs and see this whole range filled. To me, that makes the most sense. Yeah, 100%, man. Yeah, the trade's rocking up. I know. I don't know what's going on today. $100 buy on gold. Yeah, I'm in full margin. Don't have the discipline. Yeah, I know, man. It's crazy. Yeah, being patient for that hourly close. Yep. Yeah, you got the view app there as well. Yeah, nice balance of it. It's not something I, like I say, take trades off. But it's nice to see how well it does hit. You kind of bounced off it pretty perfectly there. So I guess you could say it's a nice pullback level. Lines up with this previous breakout level. So this hourly is about to grab lows and hold the support massively. So what I'm looking for is this next hourly to come down for a little bit of a bottom wick. But then see if we can get the longs here. Look at that, that's a push and a half. That's that whole longs we talk about. Which you still have plenty of room here, guys. Bottom wick on the next hourly, you still have an 80+ tick range to play. Very mid on gold. Yeah, that's what I kind of found as well, to be honest, man. I didn't find it to be as beneficial. And sometimes I look at it on NQ and I'm like, wow, it actually moves very, very well. Let's see, we've got 1 minute here, guys. Hourly's looking pretty beautiful here. Very nice hourly rejection, with gold being overall fundamentally very bullish. Yeah, that drop yesterday was ridiculous. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Insane. Yeah, yesterday's drop was nuts. I know. Could you see gold at all-time highs, man? My kind of thought process this month was gold to come up and liquidate these highs here. And now we're back up here. You know, you're tapping into previous monthly highs. Back at all-time high resistance. Yeah, could we be seeing some all-time highs? Maybe. 36 seconds here, guys. 36 seconds. Let's see. So you got that nice 30-minute fake out. You have a nice hourly rejection starting to also close bullish. So all we want to see is this next hour come down, a little bottom wick, and then we'll see if we can play this range. This is looking good. I know. It's insane. Yeah, all-time highs maybe. It'd be pretty crazy. It'd be pretty crazy. It really wouldn't be that surprising though now. I mean, the thing is, today has pushed so much. Oh, don't just push from here, God. Give us a little bit of a bottom wick here. Give us a little bit of a bottom wick. He did just get very, very... Grabbed the lows, broke back above, confirmed the fake out here. Let me see. 30-minute... Yeah, look at that 30-minute fake out. That 30-minute fake out was nice. Do we need that much of a bottom wick? Yeah, I want to see a little bit more of a bottom wick than that. A little bit more. A little bit more. I know. Yeah, that'd be insane. Yeah, yeah. Remember, guys, we're going on live on the Topstep YouTube channel as well in about 30 minutes, so I will wrap up this one soon. I just want to see if we can get these longs together. I want to see just a bottom wick into here. Come back down, hold this level, reject from here, break the highs, and then I'll be in. Even just for a pullback from here back up into here is 80 ticks. Like, these ranges are very big, guys. Remember, reduce your risk as well. Reduce your risk. These are very, very big ranges today, with gold already having huge, huge, huge pushes. We've had some insane volume already today. Yes, bouncing as well. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, NQ is back down at massive, massive support. I assume it's the same as ES as well. Yeah, huge support after a massive sell-off. I'm like, could this just get bought right back up? Maybe. Maybe. All right, so gold coming back down here, guys. So if we re-break these highs here, that could be a pretty decent long. I don't have anything in yet. I'll tell you guys what I do. But if we re-break these highs here, we could be good. That's a pretty strong rejection. You're holding that trend line very well now, which is kind of good, to be honest. So if we close below, great. Fake out buys back above this level is going to be an easy trade. And now we can kind of let it come to us again. Massive wick rejection, right back down. Right back down. Naz is pumping. Yeah, Naz is a huge support as well. That's the thing. Could gold be coming for a big correction after, you know, the huge sell-off? Maybe. It's not really my focus, but it's possible. $50 points on DAX, damn. Yeah, more solid. Yeah, I agree, Sean. I agree. That's that nice bottom wick on the Owly as well. 15 grabbing the highs, squeezing back down. Maybe tapping into some lows. Yeah, to be honest, I would actually love to see this 5-minute break back below. Because if we close below, then all we want to see is closure above, and then we've got great fake out buys. And that'd be a very, very nice setup. Even a 15-minute closure below, then next 15 to get back above. London Open, see some longs. I'd like that, What time is it? Missed my break even by 1 tick. Yeah, talent is crazy, man. Yeah, I don't know what happened to everyone today. It's not usually like this. It's fucking insane. Yeah, absolutely, man. Absolutely. All right, you guys on YouTube, Zoom guys, give me 2 seconds. You guys on YouTube, I'm going to get ready to jump on the Topstep live stream. So I'll see you guys over on the Topstep YouTube channel in about 25 minutes. And hopefully gold just doesn't go crazy just yet. So we'll look for the longs on gold, maybe even London Open. But I'll be live on the Topstep YouTube channel in about 25 minutes, guys. So I'll see you guys over there. If you want to see me trade the London Open, we'll jump on the Topstep channel for about another hour and a half or so. So I'll see you guys there.